See, we know that sec square a minus tan square a is equal to 1. We know it that sec square a minus tan square a is equal to 1. What we will do, we will take this tan square a to this right hand side. So it becomes, we can write sec square a is equal to 1 plus tan square a. Sec square a is equal to 1 plus tan square a. Now put this 1 plus tan square a के जगह पे you can put sec square a. So it becomes, this equation become sec square a. You can write then into cot a. Cot a is given in the question, so it is cot a. And in the denominator, it's cosec square a. So you can write cosec square a. Now, we know that sec square a is nothing but 1 by cos square a. Sec square is 1 by cos square a. So you just write 1 by cos square a. We know that cot a is nothing but, we can write in place of cot a, cos a by sin a. So write cos a by sin a. And we know that cosec a is nothing but 1 by sin a. तो आपका नीचे में क्या हो जाएगा डिनोमिनेटर में, यू कैन राइट 1 by sin square a. Now just you have to arrange it and you will get the result, which is we have to prove on in the right hand side. So this cos square a will come to the denominator, this sin a will come to the denominator, and this sin square a, it will go to the numerator. So now you can rewrite this given equation as 1 by cos square a into cos a. Sin a will come in the denominator, so just write it in denominator. So it is sin a and this sin square a, as I have already mentioned, it will go to the numerator. So you can write sin square a. Just cancel all the जो भी कॉमन टर्म्स हैं, यू कैन जस्ट कैंसिल इट. सी इट्स कॉस स्क्वायर ए, इट विल कैंसल 1 cos a and this 1 sin a, it will cancel this sin a. So what remains, sin a एक ऊपर में बच जाएगा और नीचे में डिनोमिनेटर में क्या बच जाएगा, we will get cos a. So you can write sin a by cos a. And it's equal to, we know that sin a by cos a is nothing but tan a. तो tan a राइट हैंड साइड में हमें प्रूव करना था and we have got the result. So thank you so much. Good day and take care.